everyone, welcome back to our channel. Join us for another house tour featuring this modern luxury home, furnished, located near Clark and Koreatown. But before we begin, please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the bell button to get more updates on our videos. This is Rose Anna, and we're Blueprint Properties, Pampanga. Let's start. Unang-unang highlight, corner lot po ang ating property. This has a 200 square meters lot area and 330 square meters floor area. As you can see, diba? Ang ganda ng ating facade. We have LED lights, tapos may mga wall lights din tayo na nagko-contrast sa mga dark colors natin, yung mga black colors natin sa ating facade. So, very nice ang kanyang color. We have two entrances. We have this entrance going to your carport. Ang ganda nung corner lot, no? Diba, You have that entrance going to your carport, and you have entrance, dito naman yung iyong main entrance. You have pots, plants in front, but if you want to add more plants, pwede ka rin mag-add ng mga plants dyan. Let's go inside. And as you enter, you have this space, which you can add more plants. You can put a table, coffee table, that you have your breakfast there. And pasilipin ko kayo dito before we enter, just for you to see yung view dito sa side na to. So that goes to your parking area. And nakikita nyo ba yung mga ilaw natin? This side, you have a black accent wall here, or your pillar is a black wall. And then meron kang LED wall lamp dyan. Kitang-kita mo yung accent wall natin kasi nagko-contrast yung ilaw at saka yung dark color. You have your massive door, solid door. Ang taas, tingnan mo. And smart lock. I mentioned that this is furnished, so I feel like nakita nyo na yung mga features natin or mga reels natin. So you are expecting a really nice interior, and yes, you have that. Pagpasok mo, this is your home. Diba? What I like about this pa, yung space. Tignan mo yung space mo dito. You have your TV console dito. Mount your TV here or dito. Pwede mo ipatong. Spacious before ka pa pumunta sa yung living area. Tapos ang laki ng ng iyong living area. You have a very nice artwork here. Tapos ito, ayoko siyang i-miss kasi this is really nice. Yung under your stairwell, na-maximize siya. And this can be your shoe room. I call it room because really can enter. Pasok tayo. Diba? Shoe room or bag room, pwede. May ilaw. Dito, meron ka pa dito mga shelves. And pag nakita mo, akala mo accent wall, lang siya. Accent lang siya under your stairwell, but no. It's actually storage. Look at your living area. Very nice center table. Look at that. Yan po ay solid Nara. Diba? Ang ganda. And then, of course, nandito ang iyong stool, breakfast nook, preparation area. Let's go to our formal kitchen. Your formal kitchen has a color palette of black and white. Very elegant. And you have a modern design sink. Ang ganda ng color, di ba? White and then black. Ang ganda ng ating mga cabinets. You can see through what's inside. Very nice po. Ay, hindi pa nalagay dito. Sabi ko, something's missing. Hindi pa nalagay yung ating cooktop or yung ating induction cooker. I'm not sure what they're gonna put, pero we'll let you know sa details natin. Range hood. Then this one is included, of course. The refrigerator is included. And tignan mo naman yung dining table. Matchy-matchy siya sa yung center table. Center table sa yung living area. Sorry. Sensitive sa yung living area. Pareho, even yung color, yung accent niya, linagyan lang siya ng accent. So this is an 8-seater dining set with a very nice drop light. And let's not forget to mention yung ating ceiling. Look at that accent ceiling natin, yung accent natin sa ceiling. You have wood design. And of course, ito pa. Diba? Nauuso to ngayon, yung mga ganitong design. Mga parang stone age design ng mga wall natin. So, cement yan ha, yung sa likod niya. And then, this is just an accent wall. Baka yung iba kasi akala nila, ay, baka mamaya wala namang cement. Sementado po yan. They have LED strip. So nice yung mga LED strip, no? Kasi mas patangkon nyo ko today. Joke lang. So nice yung mga LED strip natin kasi mas pinapakita niya yung height ng ating ceiling and even yung mga measurement ng ating room. Ito ay lanay. So kung sumilip kayo kanina sa parking area, nakita niyo tong part na to. Pupunta tayo sa parking area kasi may daan tayo going to your parking area, which is perfect. And of course, what's perfect pa ay ang iyong bedroom sa ground floor. You have your guest room. Yan. And you have your full bath. Pasok tayo sa full bath natin. I think this is smart toilet. Diba? O, dumaan ako. Bukas siya. So, smart toilet siya. Ang ganda ng color ng wall natin. Floor to ceiling tiles. Spacious ang ating shower area. Look at that. Very slick. And then you have your tempered glass partition. Of course, your smart toilet. And then, they're gonna add more LED strip dito. May mga nakikita akong lalagyan nila. Tignan mo naman yung CR mo. Para kang nasa hotel. Diba? And you have a very wide mirror. Oh, diba? That's nice. Slope type yung ating sink. So, parang hotel talaga siya. This door goes to your parking area. And your parking area is good for 2 SUVs. Tignan mo yung parking mo. You have accent wall. You have a LED strip accent. Ayoko na sabihin, baka mabulol ako. Na nag-emphasize ng height ng iyong parking. Fully covered po ang parking natin. So safe pang vehicles natin. You don't have to worry. You also have CCTV cameras there. Kasama po ang mga yan. This is your laundry area. You have your sink. And also, this is your staff room. Yung staff room mo, nasa labas po ng property. So you have their privacy. Meron tayong room dito and then you have, ito, hindi ko mabuksan. Kasi actually kakatapos pa lang daw ng property. So may mga linalagay pa sila yan. But if you want to see the property, pwede na po kayong mag-contact sa amin and you can see the property in person. Alright. Pagpasok natin, ang ganda ng view dito, oh. Sobrang aliwalas. Like, if you have kids, they want to play. Nandun yung mga adults, they're talking. Some are talking there then sa kusina, and then your kids are just playing here. You have their own space. Ang ganda, no? And then here, high ceiling. Look at that. Akyat na tayo to show you the 3 other bedrooms. Let's go. Pakita ko muna to. Yung ating wide window here, that's meron kang curtains. So if you want natural light, pwede mo buksan yan. Or kung ayaw mo naman, you can just, that's a blackout curtain. So pwede mo siyang isara. First room, to my right. Alright. Pagpasok mo, you have your full bathroom, enclosed shower area. Enclosed shower area, and then, of course, floor-to-ceiling tiles. Ang yung napakagandang piano design na stainless steel shower set. Parang lahat ng sink natin, ganito siya. Slope type siya. So, yun yung mga slope type lavatory sink natin. Very pretty. This is your first bedroom sa yung second floor. And syempre, hindi ko pwedeng hindi pakita to. Yung napakagandang built-in cabinet with, yeah. So, meron kang light control here. Turn off, turn on. Pwede mong i-dim. Ay, lumiliwanag pala siya. Ito yung pag-dim. See? Or, yan. Ang ganda, di ba? And then, this is your Full-size bed. It's a double bed. Pag full-size, double bed po yon. At ang ganda pa niya kasi meron kang accent sa yung headboard. Or sa your headboard and then accent wall sa yung accent wall. Accent wall. Meron kang accent. Meron kang accent wall dyan. Meron kang uplighting. Ano, downlighting pala to. Oh, uplighting, downlighting. Hala, nagagaya na ako kay Sir Mac. Si Sir Mac kasi. Yan, meron kang accent light dito. So, LED strip yan. LED strip. TV, mount for TV here or pwede rin naman dito. This side, sir, palit tayo. Kung nasan si Sir Darwin, meron kang a little corner here na pwede mong gawing study area. So you have, may stairs ka dito. These are metal stairs going to your loft. Pwede ka maglagay dito ng study. This can be your study area. Sayang kasi yung space dito di ba? Kung hindi mo siya lalagyan ng anything. Or if you want to add more cabinets, pwede rin. Or your fur baby, pwede rin siya dyan. Alright, so meron kang ladder dito. Pag akyat mo, my height is 5'5". So, ayan, meron kayong idea kung gaano siya kataas. Ako, naiisip ko siya na parang gusto ko yung closet ko na lang nandito sa taas. No? O kaya kung gusto mo, nandito yung room mo. Like, leave me alone. Dito lang ako sa taas. Tapos nasa baba yung closet and other things. Kasi tignan mo yung space niya. Di ba? Oh, hindi siya pinilit. Talagang yung size niya talaga, it was really measured. And it was really intended for this design. Ganda. Okay. Let's go na. Paano tayo bababa? Diba? Yung mga may gusto mga loft type, perfect to sa inyo. Okay, to the right, parang nawala ako sa wish ko. Pag ilan na ba? Yan. Okay, second room. Uy, pwede kang rumampa dito. Tignan mo naman yung sa ceiling mo. Oh, so nice. Oh, dito tayo sa, wow, spacious ang ating next room. This one naman, oh, gusto mo ng maluwang? This is perfect for you. Same design ng accent wall natin sa kabila. Even yung lighting natin, same. The size of the bed is the same as well. And then, meron ka mga hanging drawers. Window, your TV dito. And same yung kanilang cabinet. I love this cabinet. Yeah, so nice. And this is your ensuite toilet and bath, enclosed shower area, toilet, your slope type sink, and ang shape niya pa square yung ating bathroom. So lahat ng rooms natin sa second floor, meron silang ensuite, toilet, and bath. Now this is your master's bedroom. Sa mga nagsasabi, master ba, masters? Pareho naman yun kasing tama. Master bed, depende lang sa gamit. When you say masters, you're pertaining to the master, kaya master's bedroom. Diba? Or if you're saying master bedroom, ibig lang sabihin it's like your primary bedroom. Ganun siya. But when you're saying master's bedroom, you're just referring to the person who's going to be the master of the home. Ganun lang siya. Kaya wag na kayong mambash. Pag sinasabi yun, pareho lang naman siyang tama. So this is your, let's go back. This is your primary bedroom, master bedroom, king-size bed. Yung wall natin, tignan nyo yung accent wall natin. Look at that. High ceiling. At yung accent wall natin is from top to bottom or from floor to ceiling talaga siya. Diba? Ang ganda. Kaya kitang-kita kung gaano ka-wide, kalaki yung room natin. And even our ceiling, meron tayong accent sa ceiling natin. You have wood accent. And very nice yung ating chandelier and yung mga pin lights natin sa taas. That's so nice. Alright, bago bumaba ang araw, you have your balcony. Woo! Time check, I think it's already 6 p.m. or 6:30. This is your balcony. So ganito siya kalayo. And then, we've seen a very nice sunset kanina from this property. Ang ganda ng sunset. I hope we can show you some photos ng sunset. Ang ganda, kitang-kita sa likod. Tapos, pag pinicturean mo yung property, ang ganda. Para siyang background. Background sa isang painting. Tapos, featuring the property. Ang ganda ng sunset. Alright. Next. Favorite ko. Favorite ng mga ladies. Yung walk-in closet natin. Pagpasok mo, you have your vanity mirror. You just put here. May shelves ka dito na may light. Oh, kasi marami siyang option. Like, gusto mo super dim, gusto mo super bright. Pwede naman siya. And then here, oh, diba ang ganda? Oh! Sir, naiisip mo ba yung naiisip ko? Full body mirror dito. No, ang ganda. Kung yun yung ilalagay, ang ganda talaga. If they're going to put full body mirror. But you know, eto pa. At lahat talaga ng cabinets natin, meron silang ganito. Ang ganda. So nice. And then next, nandito na yung master's bathroom na merong, pasok, bubukas ang ating toilet, smart toilet. So this is your smart toilet. There. And then, nandito yung enclosed shower area. Ang ganda naman ng shower set na to. Very elegant. Oh, muntik ko lang hilain. Maliligo tayo nang wala sa oras. And yung rain shower niya, legit na rain shower. Diba? So pretty. And here, of course, ang yung lavatory sink. And you have your bathtub. Yan. Kung mapapansin nyo yung bathtub natin, saktong-sakto yung size niya. Hindi siya pinilit. Yung iba kasi, alam mo pinilit pag makipot, tapos wala nang space sa side. This one, talaga it was intended to put a bathtub. Very nice. I think that's it. Balik tayo sa napakagandang living area para sa ating recap. And for our recap, this is a modern luxury home furnished, located near Clark and Koreatown. So if you're looking for a property in that location, kung gusto niyo yung property near Clark International Airport, well, this property is for you. Alam mo naman, like, I think most of the time, ang hinahanap talaga ng mga buyers natin is the location. And this is really a good location. So you have to check this out. Aside from that, of course, yung ating community, this is a exclusive and a secured subdivision located near Clark nga. And then, ang maganda pa sa kanya, if you notice, there are some subdivisions na yung marami ka pang pinapasukan before you get in the subdivision. But this one, sa may main road siya. Accessible at malapit pa sa mga, what do you call this, major business establishment. Malapit siya sa malls. I did mention Clark International Airport din, sa airport, hotels, hospitals, universities. I saw banks din kanina nung papunta dito, fast food, and yung mga trending na mga restaurants sa TikTok na nakikita nyo here in Pampanga, malapit po sila dito sa property na ito. Alright, now let's go to the property. Yung property naman natin, ang ating lot area is 200 square meters lot area. Our floor area is 330 square meters floor area. And as you've seen sa ating video, isa sa mga highlight ito yung mga rooms natin, especially sa second floor, because all of the bedrooms there, they have their own toilet, ensuite toilet and bath. So yung mga bedrooms natin with ensuite toilet and bath, lahat yung nasa second floor. And then yung isang bedroom natin, you have your bedroom sa ground floor. So kung gusto mong tumanda sa property nito, pwede na. Dahil meron kang bedroom sa ating ground floor. What else? Ang ganda nung yung very spacious yung living area. Here, you can see that. Pwede ka may mga batang maglaro doon. And then even your kitchen, very spacious, hindi ka mahihirapan magluto. Your dining area, if you want longer or if you want a round table for your dining area, pwede. So, marami kang pwedeng gawin sa property. If hindi mo pa naman nagugustuhan yung nakikita, but everything looks very pretty na talaga. And then you can add more accent. Yung color niya, madaling bagayan, madaling lagyan ng mga accent, mga display. So, pwede mo itong i-customize according to your liking. What else? Yung ating mist room, yung staff room natin, nandun siya sa labas. They have their privacy. And your parking area, good for 2 SUV. And then, kung mapapansin mo, yung parking area mo, you have an access going to your kitchen na. So, if may bisita ka dito sa yung living area, hindi ka na kailangan dumaan doon sa front gate. So, yung mga groceries mo, pwede mo nang idaan doon sa likod. So, perfect din yung kanyang architectural design. And what I love about this corner lot siya, kaya pag nakita mo siya, very elegant siyang tignan sa labas. Ang ganda-ganda ng lighting niya talaga. And what we love about this kanina, nung pa-sunset, kitang-kita din yung sunset sa likod. So, aside from that, aside from your location, aside from the property itself, the community, yung aesthetic pa ng yung property. So if you like what you see, please don't hesitate to contact us. We're Blueprint Properties Pampanga. Message us on Facebook, Blueprint Properties Pampanga, on Instagram, Blueprint Properties Pampanga. You can follow us on TikTok. For sure, nakita nyo na yung mga reels natin, yung short, yung quick tour natin dito sa property na ito. Sigurado nakita nyo na yan. Follow us on TikTok, BP Pampanga. And we also have our website, www.blueprintpropertiespampanga.com. Go check our website kasi may mga videos or may mga properties po na hindi pinapa-feature. These are private listings. And some naman, hindi pa na video. Makikita nyo sila sa website natin. So if you have a specific property that you like, check the website, message us. Kung wala kayong social media handles, we have our mobile numbers dyan po sa ating description. We have other messaging platforms. We have WhatsApp, we have Viber, we have email, and nandyan din po nga yung aming mga mobile numbers. You can also follow me on Instagram, Lalu, and on TikTok, Lalu. You can book your shippings there. Dahil kung halimbawa, like if you've seen the reels na sigurado may mga nag-book na ng shippings, and kung nanonood ka at hindi pa sold ang property nito, now is your chance. So, call us now. Sa mga naka-follow po sa amin here on YouTube, thank you so much. At kung hindi ka pa naka-subscribe, please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the bell button to get more updates on our videos. This is your host, Anna, and we're Blueprint Properties Pampanga, where your house speaks.